In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and install your Brother DCP-110C series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up a web browser and into Google search for Brother DCP-110 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a Brother support page. It says downloads and then DCP-110C. Go ahead and open that up. Select your appropriate version of Windows, Mac, or Linux and then select OK. Please note if it says it's already included in the operating system, you may want to just click the back arrow up at the top and then select an older version of Windows, for example, like Windows Vista 64-bit. Again, select the 64-bit version and then select the full driver and software package. And then you can go ahead and just scroll down, accept the end user license agreement, and download the file here. Please note that if you have Wi-Fi enabled on your printer and you've had it configured, you may be able to just go directly through Windows Setup. I don't believe this printer supports Wi-Fi though. So once it's on your system, go ahead and open up that file. You want to select decompress and give that a moment. Select OK once that's done, and then just open up the file. So on this decompressed destination folder, select browse. Select your desktop and then select OK, and then select decompress. And then if you click on OK, close out of here, and you open up the folder on our desktop now. Should be a USA folder, double click on it, and then select the setup folder, double click on that, and then select yes to proceed. And then allow this to configure, so select yes, and then follow through with the on-screen prompts of setting up either a local or network configuration. And then you just would select next and follow through with the on-screen guide here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.